Manje singena lana ngoba ka-H_F_M because we wanna do what? Sifuna ukutshengisa abantu ukuthi there is a lot of ways to make extra income, but it's not easy. And I'm not saying ukuthi I'm a financial advisor. Mina into engifuna understand uma ungena kwi-forex markets, understand ukuthi kunzima, but it's easy, but kuyenzeka, but it's all about patient, ukubekezela, okay? Asingagxili kakhulu, angifuni ividiyo yami kuyenza ibe yinto isibhore. Njengamanje asithi ufuna ukuqala kumele ube ne-H_F_M. I-robot letter lisebenza kwenye ibroker ngaphandle kwa-H_F_M. And then another thing okumele uyenze bese urejistile i-link engizobe ngiyiplaceile kwi-bio and ngizoyifaka futhi nela ezansi lapho okulobhuzana khona okubhalwa khona ukuthi khomba ngale video. Okay, usala ku-menu, uza ku-menu uze ku-my wallet. Uma uza ku-my wallet because sifuna sivule ini i-premium account, life account. Masivule life account sizothi lana open a trading account, singene khona kubomvu khona lapho sizovula i-premium account. There is iphezulu nje la premium account. Mawuvula i-premium account yakho yonke ithi kanje and then you press next. Into elandelayo kumele uyenze, you create a password. Asicreate i-password yale account. I-nickname asiyibize ngo-BH, yeah, bese sizo-create i-password. Yeah, emva kwalokho uzobhala lana i-affiliate code. It's very important you use this affiliate code. Nayi affiliate code omele uyisebenzise, it's very important. Akadli into engizoyichaza ngayo i-link, i-affiliate code, it shows that information uyithole kimi, yabo. So that's why I would like ukuthi now uyisebenzise affiliate code. Make sure you use the affiliate code. Emva kwalokho uzothi open an account. Okay, affiliate code yami ayifuna ukusebenza kimi, ayisebenzi kumina vele, sebenza mayisetshenziswa abantu bangaphandle. Okay, angiphinde futhi ngiyibhale futhi nayi affiliate code so that you can uzokwazi ukushaya i-screenshot uyibone. Nayi affiliate code omele uyisebenzise. Emva kwalokho uzothi open an account. Okay, open an account. Silinde. Congratulations, your account has been opened. Njengamanje uma unayo imali kwi-H_F_M wakho ungayifaka, uma ungenayo kumele uyifake manje. Now deposit, uma ukade unayo ungawupress u-transfer. Mina just to show an example asithi transfer. Amvela nginamali lana, imali yami ngisebenzise ukufollow abantu, but we just gonna move lokho okuncane okukhona 25 rand confirm transfer just to teach you ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani. Okay, I already transfer. Njengamanje ngoba sengiyivulile i-premium account yami, i-step esilandelayo isona sipho. Okay, i-step sakhe esilandelayo yini manje ukuthi kuthole i-link ye-robot. I-information leyo uzobe uyilinka ne-H_F_M yakho ne-robot lakhe. Uyayibona le premium account esivula khona i-email engenile-ke ngale iphethe yonke le information omele ngiyifake kwi-robot ngale. So njengamanje that's the first step that you need to do. Uma uzoyithola email lapho ngakuwena, nami nje ngitholile yami i-email manje. Njengamanje sekumele ngikuphi kwi-robot. I-robot ngizokuchaza ukuthi nalo kwenze njani kanjani kanjani.